This is day 9, MicroGreens. It's the green machine. This is the soilless, Riverponics soilless mix. Day 9. And this is the soil. What do you guys think? They're both pretty equal, in my opinion. Got the Hidden Harvest grow lights here. 2 boards. Each board's 36 watts a piece. And my light just went out. So what I'll do is my last update will be day 12. And I will actually show you the wicks and how this works, because this is self-watering. So I planted these seeds. I primed the wicks one time initially, and then just left it go. So day 12, I will harvest. Show you how this works with Riverponics. Thanks for tuning in.